Every machining challenge pushes you to the edge. You need tools that are as relentless as you are. SGS's Z-Carb XPR is here to redefine your limits. Engineered for plunging, extreme ramping angles, and more, it handles the toughest operations with ease. Fewer tool changes equals less downtime. With its advanced design, the Z-Carb XPR reduces your tooling needs and cycle times, enhancing productivity and efficiency. Crafted from premium solid carbide with unique variable helix, rake, and flute indexing, it delivers exceptional chip evacuation and flawless finishes, even at depths up to 2 times D. One tool, countless possibilities. Less inventory, more performance. Get the job done with fewer tools. Because when the stakes are high and the challenges are tough, the Z-Carb XPR is your partner in precision. Together, we conquer every cut. Kyocera SGS Precision Tool. Your vision, our precision.